Hello everyone. Welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to copy the link to your Instagram profile. Sharing your profile with friends or promoting your account on other platforms can be useful for expanding your presence on Instagram. So, if you want to learn how to do it, stay until the end of this video. The first thing you need to do is open the Google Play Store or the App Store and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't have it, update it. Once you've done that, open the Instagram app. After that, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now that you're on your profile, tap on the Share Profile option. This will open a page displaying a QR code for your Instagram profile. When your friends scan this QR code through the Instagram camera, it will automatically take them to your Instagram profile. However, if you want to copy the profile link and share it, tap on the Copy Link option. Now, exit the Instagram app, then open your web browser and paste the link you copied. This will immediately take you to your profile. Similarly, when you send the link to your friends, it will take them directly to your Instagram profile. That's it. I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it has, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.